Maybe you're overwhelmed today and I try to figure out what God already know. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not unto your own understanding. He said, trust in the Lord. Trust in him. He might tell you, say, if you do. I mean, not tell no lie. It get difficult to be righteous. It's a test of a testimony. So I get it. Me get it, you know. May I go through it too. May I have to trust in him. May I learn. It's right here. So see, just so trust in the Lord. And not lean by your own understanding. I know your own view. Your view limited. But God see everything. No part of it. Not only when it's easy. All of it to trust him in it. And hear this. You know, have to figure it out. The pressure of it, know every step, every answer, every outcome. God never asked if he carry that. Him said, trust me. Trust me when it don't make no sense. Trust me when it makes sense. Trust me when the path is clear. Trust me when the path seem uncertain. Because where you see confusion, God see direction. Where you see delay, God see preparation. Glory, hallelujah. Isn't Jesus awesome? We serve an on time and an awesome God. And his name is Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So we have to stop, try to control everything, release it and surrender it to him. Acknowledge him in all your ways, even in the waiting. Because when you do, him go direct your path. No maybe, no sometimes, he will. And you don't need all the answer right now. Just trust the one who knows.